In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a site search bar in Wix. By the end, your visitors will be able to find what they need faster, and your site will feel more polished and user-friendly. Start by opening your Wix website in the editor. Go to wix.com, log into your account, select the site you want to update, and click Edit Site. This takes you directly into the Wix editor, where you can make live design changes. Next, let's add the site search bar. In the top left corner of the editor, click Add, the button with the plus icon. In the Add panel, go to the Menu and Search section. If you don't see it right away, just use the panel's search field and type Search. Choose Site Search, sometimes called Wix Site Search, and click Add to Site. Wix will place a search bar onto your page and automatically create a hidden search results page that displays the matches. You don't need to build that results page from scratch. Wix handles it for you. Now position the search bar where it makes the most sense. Drag it into your header if you want it visible across your entire site, which is great for usability. You can also place it in the footer or along a side area if that fits your layout better. Resize it so it complements the design. Keep it compact in a header or make it wider in a content section. Use the alignment guides to keep spacing clean and consistent. Let's customize the look and behavior. Hover over the search element and click Quick Edit. Update the title or label text so it matches your tone, like Search the Site. Adjust fonts and colors to align with your brand and maintain good contrast for readability. To control what shows in results, open settings, then manage settings. Choose the content types you want included, such as pages, blog posts, or events. If it makes sense for your site, you can enable show hidden pages, but only do this if you truly want those items searchable. If you'd like to influence the order of results, use the reorder option to prioritize what appears first. For example, pages before posts. Finally, publish and test. Click Publish in the top right corner to push your changes live. Visit your published site, click the search bar, and try a keyword like About or SEO Workshop. If results don't appear immediately, give Wix up to 10 minutes to index your content. If anything looks off, return to settings and adjust the included content types or re-enable hidden pages as needed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.